Hi everyone, welcome back to the detailing desk. In last video, we have learned about Tekla Structures interface. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create members for our model. So, our today's video is about grid creation and member placement. So, let's start the video. Open your Tekla Structures application. Click on all models. Open the model which we have named practice one in our last video. Once the model is open 3D view and click on the origin point. We'll get grid properties in the properties tab. So we need to provide the grid to grid dimensions as shown. In x direction 0 space 4875 space 4755 space 4450 space 4145 space 3960 space 3655 space 3535. Now let's provide for a y direction 0 space 3535 space 3655 space 4145 space 4360 space 4540. And now for z direction 0 space 2782 space 5410 space 6985. These are the levels. Now in labels section, for x direction provide alphabets. For y direction provide numbers. For z direction copy these levels and paste them here and just add a plus symbol in front of them. And a point here. Just scroll down and set the grid color to white. Copy the numbers and paste them in font color tab. Click modify. As you can see, our grids are set now. Now let's do member placement for our practice project. We are using SHS 150 into 150 into 6 profile as our columns and truss members. SHS 100 into 100 into 6 as truss support bracings, and ISA 75 into 75 into 6 as vertical bracings. Go to the steel tab on ribbon, select column tool. In properties panel, click on three dots at profile tab. A pop-up will open like this. Now we need to set the profile which we are going to use for columns. Click on the plus icon here, rectangular hollow sections, and again at HSS and SHS. Here we need to select our profile. SHS 150 into 150 into 6. Click OK. Just scroll down. Here we need to set the position of our column, top and bottom. Bottom of the column is 0. Top of the column is 5410. And just click at the intersection point of the grid. As you can see, the position of the column is set to 0 and 5410. Now click at every intersection point of grids all around to place the columns. It is better to on only endpoint when we are placing members. Now rotate the 3D view. To rotate the 3D view, press Ctrl plus mouse mid cursor and drag the mouse. As you can see, our columns are placed at required places. Now let's create a section along grid A. Go to the view section, click on new view using 2 points. Create a section along grid A. Press Ctrl P to get a plan view. Set the depth up to 100 or 150. Draw a construction line connecting all the grids. And draw a perpendicular line to that construction line in the mid. This is the center of our truss or ridge point of the truss. Now let's draw a beam. Go to the steel tab on the ribbon again and select beam tool. As we know, we are using same profile for the truss too. Select the profile, click OK. Draw a beam on the top of the columns. Here we need the beam to go up above the columns. So select the beam and in the properties panel, in position, set it to front. As you can see, the beam has changed its orientation. Now let's draw a diagonal member. Change it to behind a depth. Now let's mirror this member size. Now let's mirror this member. First we need to set the workspace work plane. Go to the views tab, click on work plane parallel to the view plane. Select the beam which we want to mirror. Right click, copy special, mirror. Give the first point and right click perpendicular, copy. As you can see, the shape of truss is created, but we need to provide the support braces. Now copy the construction line from the center for 1500. Copy it for every 1500 mm. As we know, we are using SHS 100 into 100 into 6 as support brace member. Just change it here. Double click in the workspace. Go to the display, advanced, part center line and reference line. Click on the part center line and reference line. Click modify. Control 1 to get the 2D view. Draw a beam at every 1500 mm. Now let's draw a brace. We are using the same member. Now just mirror these all bracings to other side. Click on copy special, mirror. As you can see, our truss is completed. Now select the truss and press Ctrl tab. Just copy it to every grid. Rotate the 3D view.